Hello everyone, it's Jira Bro back with another video, and today what I want to talk about is the installing ScriptRunner for the Jira data center. And this tutorial is going to be for the Linux operating system. Now, I assume that you have watched installing the Jira server on Linux video. If you haven't, I will leave the link in the description, because in this video I'm not going to go through that whole process because it was explained in the previous video. So let's get started. So first things first, there are no, let's say, a lot of differences between the Jira data center and Jira server. The one that is actually, well, as you can see, the one thing that is recognizable are the apps. For the Jira server, you don't have the option to download apps long time ago, since February. And for the data center, you can download the apps. We're actually going to be focused on the ScriptRunner from Jira. I will also leave the link in the description for the application as well. So you want to be choosing the data center, and we want to click on try for free. So now when we click on try for free, we want to generate our license. And when we actually generate our license, it says to copy our Jira license key to the clipboard. So we're going to do exactly that. And to download the ScriptRunner for Jira Data Center app to your local system. So we're going to click on download. We're going to click on save. And we're going to wait for it to download. While it's downloading, I want to show you guys this. So this is the documentation how to re-enable plugin download. Now, why is this important? Because now what we have to do is we need to actually upload our application. Now the thing is, when we're actually uploading our application, this is actually done when you go to the your cog applications. When you click on manage apps, and when you go for manage apps as well, you need to have the option to upload the applications. Right now, as you can see, we don't have this option available. So that's why we're gonna be using this documentation right here. I will also leave the link of this documentation in the description as well. And this is for the environment that we're actually having. So this is for Linux, for Windows, and also for Kubernetes as well. So since I have the Linux, we're going to be focusing on the Linux specifically. And what we actually want to do is, so for Linux, we need to edit the Jira app folder. So when we actually added this app folder, and when we actually upload everything, so we're gonna see a new option appearing in here. So we need to stop Jira. So how do we actually stop Jira? So we're gonna go into the terminal. So I'm gonna type in the ls. I'm gonna change to the Atlassian. Now also I'm gonna go and change directory to Jira. I'm gonna change it to bin. And now we're looking for this one, stop Jira. So in order to do this, we're gonna go with /. I'm gonna type in stop jira.sh. So this command will stop your Tomcat server. And when this stops your Tomcat server, then we're also going to change our folder. So we're gonna copy this, and by folder I mean the file. So we need now to go to set environment.sh. Okay, so now let's see here, set environment.sh. So that is this one. Now, so we're gonna type in set nano set environment.sh. Gonna hit enter. All right, this is what you're gonna have. So these are the arguments that we're actually having in here. Now what we want to do is we want to add these arguments right here. So we're going to hit enter, right click, and we want to add it right here. Now we're going to hit the Control X to save the changes, and now it says save modified buffer. We're going to go file name to right. Yeah, so now we have it changed. So if we go with the nano again, you're going to see that it's actually there. All right, so that is done. So Jira is stopped. As you can see, this site cannot be reached. So what we're actually gonna do, I turn this off. Okay, so we're gonna cd Jira, cd bin. All right, we're gonna go with / and I'm going to start jira.sh. all right, it says the Tomcat has started. Actually takes some time for it to work. Let's go to localhost. all right, so now we're going for the localhost. It says in here loading Jira apps. It's gonna take a while. All right, I'll actually pause the video and I will come back when it's loaded. All right, guys, it's done. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go for applications, and we're gonna go to our manage apps. We're gonna go to manage apps. There we go. This is what we wanted. So we're gonna choose the file right here, and we're gonna go with our Groovy Runner jar file. We're gonna upload it, and when we actually upload this, then we will be able to actually install our ScriptRunner for data center, and you will be able to, well, write down your scripts, which is perfect. All right, so it takes a bit of a time. Okay, there we go. Now it says that it's not compatible with Jira versions. Features and functionality might be limited. Yes, this is correct, and to be functional, this app might be functional, but one or more modules is this missing dependencies. Features and functionality may be limited. So also, the solution to this is actually not to install the latest version of the Jira data center. You would actually need to go for some of the versions that are downgraded. So I'm gonna click on free trial. I'm gonna click on get the license. I'm gonna say yeah, generate the license. Now we're gonna apply it, and that is everything. Now for the final outcome, I'm gonna click on get started, and we're gonna click on console. We're gonna dismiss, and there we go. So I'm gonna say return hello. Let's go with the run. There we go. And that is everything for this video. And don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.